it's giving me big, luscious, sexy hair, what I'm looking for. Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I know, but I just got this new wig that yeah, I had to show you guys. Well, you know, first of all, let's start here. This is my first frontal meaning it going all the way. I usually wear closures that usually, like, you know, have the lace just right here, but this one is a full frontal, 13 by 6, which I love because the 6 goes back far enough that it's not stopping up here. My head is like, it's all shaped weird, whatever, right? Okay, but I love this wig. The density, it's 180 density. It's 16 inches, but it's body wave, so it's a little on the shorter side, but it turned out really cute. Like, I'm not mad at all. So this is a straight out of the box. Shein. The box is cute, I guess, you know. So it's kind of pre-plucked already. Okay, but this is the inside. So this is, let me not tell you one thing. 13 by 16. Body wave, supposed to be 16 inches, but it's looking a little short. But I got a 6, it goes back 6 inches. That's nice. It's gonna give you a lot of room to do different parts and stuff. I like it. I'm excited about this one. Okay, so all I did was take it, you know, take my other one off and then put this one on. So let's see. Okay, so this is why, I don't know, maybe I'm not, like, how far does this have to go down to cover? Because now my forehead is small. Interesting. And it fits pretty good, but this is really low on my forehead. You see, my own edges are gonna stick out here. Let's see. Do this little number. This edge. Not liking this. Because I don't want my forehead to shrink. But I do like that you can pull it back. Definitely gonna have to plug it yourself. But it's not bad, and the hairline is just no parts. Maybe it'd be better. Okay, let's start with the cap, because that's not it. Okay, so I'm doing the most for just play, because frontals are meant to be worn with the cap, a melted cap, you know. So I'm just playing, trying to see where we can go with this. Still gotta, like, I don't know, see, you can still see my edges here. And I can't get, like, this is the end of it right here. So where does that go? I don't know. We're gonna have to see what that looks like. But I do like that, you know, it's not covering my ears. So it's like, okay. Let me see. See, this is the end of my lace. And all of that has to be down. It's a lot. Because it's not like my natural hair. My edges are right here. Maybe I can leave my edges out. If I could get it to be cute. Oh man. It's just gonna have to work like this. This side's a little on my ear. What is that? The cat? Yeah, that one side's just a little bit on my ear. Let me see the side. Yeah, it goes right above my ears. So that's cool. It's tight, it feels good. Oh, that's wonderful. It's just my edges. We're back. So, told you how to leave some of my edges out. I'm winging this. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, I don't know. I'm gonna be sad because I had to spend money on this and I want to wear it. So we're just gonna put it on just to see if what I am thinking can happen will happen and look okay, right? This is just a test, okay? Ooh, okay, so see, I just wanna make sure that I can leave my edges out right there. You see that? It looks like it's pretty, yeah, that looks like. Because I'm not trying to lose my edges. I'm not gonna cut my edges off, you know, just for this wig. I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna use some lace bond spray. Hopefully, like I said, hope this works. We're gonna go like spray my edges, spray this. Is that too much? I don't know. Look, okay, full disclosure, I'm not a hairstylist. I do my own hair. The things I do to my own hair, I would not do to someone else's hair because I don't know the outcome of this, okay? I experiment and try things on my own hair because it's my own hair and I feel like it'll grow back, whatever, you know? So if you're not comfortable doing something like leaving your edges out, wearing a frontal, then don't do it. Find another solution. But I'm not cutting mine off, so we're just gonna have to see what this do. So it's dried a little bit. I moved my headband down just a little so I can, you know, make sure that most of my hair is gonna be covered. Now I'm just gonna blow dry it so it can really dry under there. Okay, so I'm gonna take my headband off because I want this to lay flat and it has a little ridge right here where my headband is. So let's do this, take it off. We'll lay it down a little bit, girls. Yeah, see how it's like almost perfectly lined. I don't have any of the spray there. Okay, so let's just see what we got so far. Okay, so this cat, the net. All right. Yeah. Maybe onto something. So all I did was pull this back some so I could cut it and it not like be. Yeah. I'm liking that a little bit better because the cap is really light. Pyramid. And we are winging it. I'm only gonna put it on the parts of my skin, right there. Just a little bit of glue. Make sure my cap gets like really blended. All right. Yeah, you can let it go. Thanks.
Take my hand.
Thank you. Wowzers. Oh, let me leave this here. Yeah, I can spray it now. Okay. Just gonna need to do my part a little bit probably, but for the most part, probably plug just a little bit in here. Yay! This was a good buy. Okay, so this is as good as we got today, but I mean, this is a lot. I can work with this. Like, the lace is great. I don't know if I want to bleach the knots or not, but right now I'm just probably gonna leave it and just roll with it because it looks good as is right now. I mean, there's some spots I gotta fix because I was kind of in a rush cutting the lace, and down here it's not really applied, but if when I do get it on there, you know, it'll be cute. I love it. Like, this was a great Shein wig buy. Like, could not be more glad I got it. You can part it on this side. You know, I'll probably do a middle part. The density is amazing. Like, it's giving me big, luscious, sexy hair, what I'm looking for. I love this. So, yeah, you know, wear it up. You know, I can fix it. We can do this. But I love it. Thanks, Shein. Okay, so this is the next day, right? Yesterday I installed it, which is what you saw earlier in this video. And I slept with my do-rag on, and it looks like it kind of blended just a little bit more while I was sleeping. Baby, I'm feeling it. I love it. Like, okay, so let me just show you some things so that you can get the full 100, you know. Let me see the wig up close. I got you. Okay, so you can see. You can definitely see the knots, but I'm, like I said, I'm not mad at this because from far away, you can't tell. I may not use foundation under it the next time. This is my first time doing it with the cap. Like, I put the cap on, you know, did all that. I need some better foundation for it. I usually will use like my lace spray that's already tinted, so it's gonna make it look more natural. I'm gonna do that next time, and maybe I'll show you guys how it turns out. But I'm not mad at this at all. I left my edges out, as you can see. These edges I'm gonna cut and make part of the wig, so it's, you know, a little bit more visible and visibleness. But yeah, this is the outcome with my baby hairs out. So see, you can see, I'm not the best at laying these edges, so you know it's coming up some, but like, you can't even tell. I'm not tripping. I will do this much better the next time I put it on, but look at this. This is a great start. Like, I feel like, you know, it's a little bit more advanced than beginner friendly, but it was super easy for me to do, especially it being my first time. Like, you see, you saw my process, you saw what I did. This is straight out the box too, by the way. I haven't curled it. I did do my comb up here because I wanted it to lay over and not be all crazy, but I love it. So run, don't walk. I will put the link in the description so that you can go find this on Shein. But yes, if you like wigs and you're into playing for wigs and you like to be, you know, cost friendly, I'm not, look, my days are buying, I won't even buy a $200 wig. Like, No, not when she ends up offering this for 70 bones. So yeah, you do you, I'ma do me, and this is me, and this is what makes me happy. Saving money and looking good. Like, I love it. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I got another video coming up for you guys, so I needed to finish this one so we can go do that one.